Hello students, how are you? I hope that you will be fine. I am Aditya Vikram Rai from LPM Public School and this school situated in Gola Bazaar. Today our topic is story sums involving addition and subtraction. And after that we have learned on last day we have learned different topics that was subtracting bigger numbers, estimating the difference and story sums, and also you have learned addition and adding and subtracting together. Today our topic is story sums involving addition and subtraction. Okay, and there is an example given here. What is that? Listen here. Example number 13. Hema had rupees 68. Her mother gave her rupees 25 more. She spent rupees 17 on stationery. How much money is the left with him? What is the question? That question is Hema had rupees 768. Her mother gave her rupees 25 more. And she spent rupees 17 on stationery. How much money is she left with? Okay, so firstly we have to declare that what is total amount Hema had, that is 68, that has already have, and 25 her mother, rupees 25 her mother gave him. Okay, so total amount Hema had, that is rupees 68 plus rupees 25, that is rupees 93. On adding 65 and 25, 8 5 13, 1 carry 6 to 8 1 9, that is 93. And money is spent on stationery, that is rupees 17. So money left with Hema, that is total money minus money spent on stationery. So total money is 93 and minus rupees 17 is the money spent on stationery. So rupees 93 minus rupees 17, that is 76. Okay, 93 minus 17, that is 13 minus 7 6, and 8 minus 1 7, that is 76. Okay, so Hema is left with rupees 76. So the answer of this question is Hema is left with rupees 76. Come on exercise 3.6, that is solve these story sums. And there are some few question. Come on the short question, that is exercise 3.6. Solve these story sums. First question is there were 67 people in a bus. At the first stop, 12 people boarded. At the next stop, 9 people got off the bus. How many people were still there in the bus? Okay. Once again, you have to listen question. That is, there were 67 people in a bus. At the first stop, 12 people boarded. At the next stop, 9 people got off the bus. And how many people were still there in the bus? So first point is total people, that is 67 people. At the first stop 12 people were boarded, so that will be added in total people. Okay, so that is 67 plus 12, that is 7 2. On adding ones places, that is 7 plus 2 9 ones, and on adding tens places, that is 6 tens plus 1 10, that is 7 tens. Now total people 79. And on the next stop 9 people got off the bus. Okay, so they be subtracted. So total people minus people that got off, that is 9. Okay, so 79 minus 9, 9 minus 9 0, 9 ones minus 9 ones, that is 0 ones, and 7 tens minus 0 tens, that is 7 tens. So 70 people is still in the bus. So the answer is 70 people were still in the bus. Okay. Now come on question number 2. That is, there are 90 books on a bookshelf. Anu puts 9 more books there and then takes away 14 books. How many books are left on the shelf now? So that is a question. There are 90 books on a bookshelf. Anu puts 9 more books there and then takes away 14 books. How many books are left on the shelf now? So total books that Anu have, firstly she have 90 books and Anu puts 9 more books. So that is total books Anu have that is 90 plus 9, that is 99 books. So 90 plus 9, 0 tens, 0 ones plus 9 ones, that is 9 ones, and 9 tens plus 0 tens, that is 9 tens. So that is 99 books. And books that takes away, and books that Anu takes away, that is 14 books. Okay, that is 17 books. So the books that takes away we have to subtract from total books. Okay, so books left on the shelf, that is 90 minus 17. On subtracting 17 from 90, that is 7 can't be subtract from 0 because there are not enough ones. So we have to regroup 9 ones, 0 tens into 8 tens, 10 ones. So 10 ones minus 7 ones, that is 3 ones, and 8 tens minus 1 ten, that is 7 tens. So books left on the shelf is 90 minus 17. 19 is the total number of book, and 17 is the books that takes away. 19 minus 17, that is 73 books. Okay, so the answer is 73 books are left on the shelf now. Come on, next question. There are 35 cars parked in a parking lot. 16 more cars 16 more cars came in the morning. If there is space for a total of 70 cars in the parking lot, how many more cars can be parked? Firstly, listen carefully. There are 35 cars parked in a parking lot. 16 more cars come in the morning. If there is space for a total of 70 cars in the parking lot, how many more cars can be parked? Okay, so total number of cars is, that is 35 plus 17. Total cars 35 plus 16. Okay, on adding 35 and 16, 5 ones plus 6 ones, that is 11 ones, and 1 will be carry over tens, and 3 1 5 4 and 4 1 carry 5, that is 51. Okay, so total cars can be parked in lot, that is 70 cars. Okay, total space for 70 cars, there is total space for 70 cars can be parked in lot. Okay, their cars can be parked. How many more cars you have to find, how many more cars can be parked there. So their capacity of the lot is 70, and there are 51 cars parked. So when we subtract 51 from 70, that is 19 cars can be parked. So answer is 19 more cars can be parked in lot. And when we subtract 51 from 70, that is 10 minus 1 9, and 6 minus 5, that is 1 19 cars. 19, so the answer is 19 more cars can be parked in the lot. Question number 4, for painting of fans, Tom bought two buckets of paints with 100 liters and 50 liters. He used 125 liters of paint to paint the fence. How much paint is left? Okay, so total, firstly, for a painting of fence, Tom bought two buckets of paints with 100 liters and 50 liters. He used 125 liters of paint to paint the fence. How much paint is left? Okay, so total paint, that is there are two bucket, that is 100 liters plus 50 liters, that is 150 liter, and 100 plus 50 is 0 10 ones plus 0 ones, that is 0 ones, and 0 tens plus 5 tens, that is 5 tens, and 100 plus 0 100, that is 100. So total paint is 150 liters, and he used 125 liter 125 liters. So paint left, that is 150 liters, that is total paint, minus he used 125 liters paint. Okay, so the answer is 25 liters. On subtracting 125 from 150, 5 can't be subtracted from 0. So here will be 10 ones minus 5 ones, that is 5 ones, and on tens place there will be 4 tens minus 2 tens, that is 2 tens, and 100s minus 100, that is 0 hundreds. Okay, so 25 liters spent left, 25 liters. Okay, so the answer is 25 liters pant is left. Okay, now come on the next topic, that is mental maths. Okay, what you have to do here, listen carefully. Mental maths, in this exercise, in this topic, you have to write T for true in for question number 1. Question number A, write T for true or F for false. First question is 6552 minus 4652 is equal to 4652 minus 6452. That is false, because in subtraction number can be ordered in any order. In subtraction